Okay, so now the crystal ball simulation has been done and we have obtained this chart. So this chart shows the distribution of the different project completion times. So for example, and if we want to know what is the probability for the completion of project in 50 days, so in this case I will put 50 over here in this box and then hit enter, and you will see that that chart will change and then the probability will be shown over here. It is shown as a certainty value over here. So this will mean that 75% chance, it's about 75% chance that project will finish in 50 days. Okay, for 52 days this chance will increase to 85%. Okay, so this type of information we can obtain from here. And so we can also look at some more views from the output of crystal ball. For this we will go to this view menu. So this is the frequency view. We can also go to the cumulative frequency and the reverse cumulative frequency, but let's look at the statistics. So as you can see, some of the statistics are shown over here. So it shows that 10,000 trials were made and the value of the base case. Okay, so the value for which we are more interested is the mean value. So it will show that the mean value for all those trials was 46 days and the median was also 46.1 days, whereas the standard deviation is 5 days. Okay, so from here we can identify some of the probabilities, probabilistic relationships for this project. Another view is the percentile view, so which is also sometimes useful. So this percentile view shows that, so for example, what is the meaning of this 70% percentile? It means that around 70% chance that the project will finish in 49.13 days, 90% chance that the project will finish in 53.22 days or 53 days, etc. Okay, so one can note down this information and then also can print out or save this information for future reference as well. If you want to save this information in your Excel sheet, so there are several ways. So one of the ways that, for example, you go to this edit menu and then you can click the copy chart and then right click in your Excel sheet and you can paste this chart over here. So this chart has been pasted over here. You can go back to crystal ball. Then if you want to, it's also better to copy this data, also edit, copy statistics. So maybe you can put the statistics over here. Similarly, go to crystal ball, view the percentiles, or you can copy these percentiles also in your spreadsheet over here. So in this way you can save these results. In fact, yeah, so you have the crystal ball installed, so you can always get back these results as well. Okay, so now what is the final conclusion? Well, the conclusion is that we have estimated the probabilities for the completion of the project. So this is the most important information which we have obtained from this simulation. The next conclusion which we can make is that the probability for finishing this project in extreme times, so for example, if I change the time from like between 59 and 60 days, so this probability is only about 0.001 28%. That means probability for finishing this time late is also very low, or probability of finishing this time much earlier, that means between 34 and, well, on 34th day, is also very low, 0.03%. So this is also one of the conclusion which you can make. Okay, another observation you can make is, let's suppose the mean time was 46.35 days. So mean time is 46.35, and then the standard deviation was 5. So 46 plus 5 is about 51. Okay, so if I take it like 51 something over here time, and 46 minus 5 is about 41. So if I take a time of 41 over here, so 41 and 51, yeah, so 46 minus 5 and then 46 plus 5, yes. So you can see that within one standard deviation, the probability within this one standard deviation plus or minus from the mean value, the probability for finishing the project is about 63%. So you can make these kinds of conclusions from here, or